He's small, the kitten more. He likes me to pet him. Whenever I pet him, he closes his eyes, relax, and sleep. He's naughty boy. He's very active. He's small, the cute boy. Sleep whenever I pet him. In the morning after breakfast, he also can sleep. Good boy. And Darwin, you want the blanket? And more? Hi. He bites me. Hi. Not biting. I don't want to bite. Hi. Don't bite. Stop, Darwin. More never bite. Now you have the blankets for yourself. Don't bite. Hi. You aggressive boy. Hey. Oh, how I did him to stop biting. Hi. No, cannot bite, huh? Was a good boy. Never bites me. Not bite, Darwin.